Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a can't change commentary language on FC25. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to settings, then go to settings again, go to game settings and press on the num. And then here change the language that you want. For example, let's go with the German. Click on it, click OK. And once you change the language, if we go back on the settings here, as you can see here, settings, and we need to go to here and here. And then if we go to audio, we can say that, as you can see here, I can change to German commentary language. If it's not the case for you, if this do not work, you need to apply a few steps. If you're playing FC25 on Steam, you need to go to library, find FC25, right click on it, properties, and then you need to look for language, and here you can change the language. And after your language is changed, you can go to the game and change the commentary language. If you play on EA app, you need to do a few steps. You need to go on search, open up registry editor, make sure to open up as admin. Right, and once you open up registry editor, you need to just, as you can see here, expand few options. So expand HKey local machine, then you need to expand software, and then on software you should see here EA Sports. So EA Sports, EA Sports FC25, and then locale right here, and then you need to put the code. So as you can see here, here's all the codes that you can use on language that you can change. So for example, let's go with a Spanish. So what we need to do here is to, as you can see here, just write yes, and then with the capital letters, make sure it's with the capital letters, it's important. Just the same that I'm writing here. And then you need to look for other option here is to wow 6432 node. Expand this option, then go to EA Sports FC25 locale, and then here you need to write again yes underscore ES here and apply the changes. And after you apply the changes, don't forget to restart EA app, and after that it should work. You can change your commentary language on FC25. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.